Hello and welcome to this evening's lecture. Tonight we're going to be revisiting a message that Lantos gave 9.5 years ago. In this message, Lantos unveiled the 10 radiant beams of Genesis. These are the beams of light, the beams of knowledge that will guide the progression of life on Earth in the coming new era. And with everything that's been going on, I thought it might be nice for us to take a look at this and have hope for the future. This is Lantos from January 11th, 2009. Greetings, blessed ones. I am the light of Genesis for all mankind. I am the light of Genesis for all mankind. I am the light of Genesis for all mankind. Now then, the 10 radiant beams of Genesis to illumine the new era and chart the course for the unfoldment of thousands of years to come. Number 1, to realize the full value of the light of Genesis in every individual on earth. Number 2, to promote a peaceful relationship amongst all nations. Number 3, to live in harmony and balance with nature. Number 4, to act in accordance with the laws of the universe. Number 5, to be friendly and compassionate to others. Number 6, to flourish in abundance, enjoying the full realization of one's intentions and desires. Number 7, to seek the highest knowledge. Number 8, to implement technologies to support health, longevity, and a sublime quality of life. Number 9, to achieve great things. Number 10, to enjoy. I am the light of Genesis for all mankind. I am the light of Genesis for all mankind. I am the light of Genesis for all mankind. Yes, good, very good. Time will unfold along these radiant beams of Genesis. The great beings of light, the great cosmic beings, have assembled at this time to direct the flow of life on earth along these radiant beams of Genesis. The direction set into motion now by these great universal architects shall be carried along these radiant beams of Genesis for thousands of years to come. This is a blessed moment. It is the junction point, the primary point of transformation for humanity. And our beloved masters of biogenesis, you are our great earthly architects, formulating fullness through yourselves, reflecting the radiant and sublime light of Genesis, and opening the gates of this new era. Thank you for joining me tonight, and I will speak with you again on Sunday.